In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access or find DM messages or inbox messages in Slack. So if you have been sent a message in your inbox and you'd like to access it, it is pretty simple. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To access your messages, it is pretty simple. Just head over to this DM, and if you click on it, you will see all the messages that have been sent to you. Currently, you can see if I click on it, we have quite a number of people that have DM'd. You can click on each to see the message that they have just written to you. And you can see these are messages that were sent directly to you. So that's how you can access inbox messages on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.